How to turn on voicemail on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily disable voicemail on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are two ways to turn off voicemail on Android. The first is by contacting your service provider. The most reliable is to call your carrier and request them to disable voicemail for you. Some providers allow this, while others may have restriction. I recommend this method as it ensures voicemail is completely turned off. Now, the second method is by adjusting your phone settings. So you can disable voicemail manually. To do that, simply open the phone app on your mobile device, and once you have opened the app, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the call settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Advanced Settings. And once you see the interface like this, also again simply scroll down all the way to the button and tap on the option labeled Setup. And here you can see the option labeled voicemail number. So simply tap on that. And after that, delete the number to turn off the voicemail. And that's it. That's how you can turn off your voicemail on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.